Good morning students. Today I am here with the second video on notice writing. In my previous video I had told you that notice writing is of 3 marks. 1 mark is for format, then 1 for content and 1 for expression. A slight recapitulation of what we had done on that day, that notice writing should be very brief and concise. जो भी हम कहना चाहते हैं वो चीज़ बिल्कुल क्लियर होनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी क्रिस्टल क्लियर कि हमारा मैसेज क्या है, क्यों हम ये नोटिस लिख रहे हैं. देन इट शुड बी इन 50 वर्ड्स. दिस इज़ अ फॉर्मल अनाउंसमेंट अबाउट एनी कॉम्पिटिशन, फंक्शन, इवेंट और a trip to some other place other than Delhi or local trip in Delhi only. Then it should be factual, because we have to tell each and everything about when we are going, if it is a trip, when we are going, the dates, mode of transport and what is the expenses that are to be incurred in that. Then it should be in very simple language so that everybody can understand. As I told you, that notice is put on the notice board of the school and every child is reading it. So it should be clear to each and every child. It should not be that only 11th and 12th classes students are going to understand it. Even a 5th or 6th class standard student should also understand what the notice is about. Then notice is always put in a box. We always put in a box, and I had told you that we have to cover the 3 sides and leave one side uncovered, because when we are going to finish the notice, then we will put a line over there. So in the very first line we write the name of the institution or the organization. Say it is DAV Public School Rohini, the name of the school and then the place where the school is located. Then in the second line, notice. Here you can write it in all in capital or the starting of the word with a capital letter, as in DAV, DAV, and then P I have written in capital, then S in capital and R in capital. The name of the institution along with the place where it is situated, and then in the very next line, notice in capital letters, then the date over here, date here, and for date we write October 16th 2020. As I told you, month, then date and then year, and then the heading will come here. Suppose we are inviting articles for the school magazine. So inviting articles for magazine. Inviting articles for magazine, and then we underline this. So 4 lines are like here: the name of the institution, notice, date and the heading, why this is written. And then we are going to start it. All the students are informed that our school magazine and then you have to write the name of the magazine. It can be anything, whatever you wish to. It can be Pragya, it can be Pratiksha, it can be RO, it can be anything. School magazine, I am writing here Darpan. Will be released in the month of December. December 2020. And then all the students are informed that our school magazine Darpan will be released in the month of December 2020. The students are requested to give their articles, poems, stories or any other material latest by 20th November 2020. Okay, we have to tell as I told you in my previous video that we have to write date, time, venue. But in the notices like this, where we are inviting the articles, we are not giving a particular date or venue. We have given them the month, that till this month we want, and we are requesting them to give their articles, poems, stories or any other material latest by 20th November. Then we are more particular about it. More precisely, we are saying the articles should be original, you are not copying it from anywhere, and they should be handwritten neatly or typed in A4 size sheet. The articles should be handed over to the library in charge before the last date. And whatever your name would be given here, that you are say Sanjay, Smita, the head girl of the school, so you have to write your name here. The boys will write Sanjay and the girls will write Smita, and you are head boy or head girl. And then we add the notice. Head boy, head girl, okay, according to what you are, your gender, you will write your name. So this is how it is written. And in the other notices, we write date, time, venue. If it is any competition, we write date, time, venue, topic, word limit or time limit. So this is how these notices are written. Suppose another notice, if we are inviting a trip to Jaipur, you are inviting the students to come forward for the trip to Jaipur that your school is organizing. So what are the things that you have to write? If we keep all the things, if we keep this DAV Public School Rohini, and then the name of the school is the same, and you are say Sanjay, Smita, then how we are going to do it? If it is a trip to Jaipur, the things which we are going to include in this would be the dates, when we are going to start and when we are going to return, and the mode of transport, how we are traveling, your stay there, in which hotel, is it 3-star hotel or 4-star hotel or anywhere else that you are going, the teachers who are going along with you, the names of those teachers, it can be history teacher and music teacher or something like that if you don't want to write the names, and then the expenses incurred that you have to give the expense per head. And after that you have to write in this that the students can give their names to the undersigned latest by and along with the NOC from their parents. This is very essential because your parents have to give a no objection certificate along with the amount. Then only you will be allowed. Okay. October 16th, 2020, then trip to Jaipur. See students, there is no hard and fast rule that you are writing everything in capital over here, but the first word has to be in capital. The whole can be in capital and the first word can be also in capital. The marks would not be deducted for that. And if we are organizing a trip to Jaipur, that is for senior secondary students. Senior secondary students, if we are writing a notice, then we write the students of 11th and 12th class. The students of 11th and 12th class are informed that our school is organizing an educational trip to Jaipur as per the following schedule. As per the following schedule. Okay, dates. We are writing the notice on 16th, so let us make it 10 days after, 26th October to 1st November 2020. Mode of transport. How we are going? This is also essential because everybody should know. Then stay Raj Mandir Hotel, accompanying teachers, history teacher, expenses, so interested students may give their names along with the amount and NOC by their parents latest by 21st October 2020 to the undersigned. Then the name, it can be say Amita, music teacher. This is how this notice is written because all the important informations are included here. The dates, mode of transport, then the stay. Accompanying teachers you can write here or you can also write here that the students will be accompanied by the history teacher. You can also write it over here. but the expenses are to be written. This is mandatory because unless and until you tell the expenses to someone, how will they make the program? तो इस तरह से बेटा ये नोटिसेस लिखे जाते हैं, ये स्कूल के नोटिसेस हैं जो हम स्कूल के नोटिस बोर्ड के लिए लिखते हैं। इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें बेटा और भी आ सकती हैं कि जैसे आपको कोई आपके प्रिंसिपल ने शी हैज़ इन्वाइटेड समवन to deliver, the inspector of traffic police to deliver the lecture about the safety of students on the road. So you can write there also you can write this, that on this date at this time the inspector will come and he will deliver the lecture, and the presence of every student and teacher is mandatory. Okay, mandatory means compulsory. So these are the notices which are written for the school, and now I will start with the notices that are written by the RWA or any other society. Say the RWA. RWA is Resident Welfare Association. You are Sanjay, Smriti, President of. This is a question I am writing so that you should have a glance how the question comes and how you have to attempt it. President of RWA 73 Roopnagar. You have organized a blood donation camp in your society. Write a notice informing the residents about the same. Same. Give all necessary details. Okay, this is the question that has come, and now you have to answer it. Again, if we read three words, you are Sanjay. आप संजय हैं. Smriti, the boys will write Sanjay and the girls will write Smriti. You are the president of RWA. RWA means Resident Welfare Association, and RWA has numbers. RWA 73 Roopnagar. You have organized, आपने ऑर्गेनाइज करा है एक ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप इन योर सोसाइटी. बेटा जनरली हमें सोसाइटी से रिलेटेड ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप्स का आएगा, बिकॉज इन स्कूल्स the blood donation camps are not organized because there only the teachers can donate, or some of the students who are in 12th class they can donate, because the donor should be above 18 and below 60. ठीक है, 18 ईयर्स से कम वाला कोई डोनेट करता नहीं है. तो जनरली जो है स्कूल्स में नहीं होता ये ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप, ये सोसाइटीज़ के ही होते हैं, बट आपको एग्जाम्स में आ जाता है. तो राइट ए नोटिस इन्फॉर्मिंग द रेजिडेंट्स. रेजिडेंट्स मतलब वहाँ रहने वाले, उस सोसाइटी में रहने वाले लोग. रेजिडेंट्स अबाउट द सेम. गिव ऑल द नेसेसरी डिटेल्स. जो भी डिटेल्स आपने देनी है उसको आपको कवर करना है. अब मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ, आई हैव मेड अ बॉक्स अगेन, एंड दिस इज, सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे, कहाँ के प्रेसिडेंट हैं आप, नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और नेम ऑफ द सोसाइटी और नेम ऑफ द स्कूल. सो इट इज़ RWA 73 रूपनगर. Beta, you don't, as you can see that we have to leave us some space over here and some, it should be in the middle of the first line. Then we are writing notice, then again October 16th 2020, and here the heading blood donation camp. Blood donation camp. And I have underlined this. In the notices of the school, we were writing all the students are informed. Here I am writing all the residents. All the residents are informed. So it's very easy to understand or to mug up that instead of students we are writing residents. There in the notices which we were writing for the school, we were writing all the students are informed. But here we are writing all the residents are informed. जितने भी रहने वाले हैं इस कॉलोनी में, रेजिडेंट वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन 73 में, उनको हम इन्फॉर्म कर रहे हैं, are informed that our topic is blood donation camp. That a blood donation camp is being organized or will be organized, you can write anything, is being organized in our society, on 23rd October. It can be October 23rd also, and 23rd October, everything is fine. On 23rd October, or you can write in our society, let me write it that way because you will understand, as per the following schedule, because if you learn that format you will go according to that only, as per the following schedule. And here it is date 23rd October 2020, time 9 AM to 3 PM, venue Central Park, because in all the societies there is a Central Park. सारी सोसाइटीज़ में बेटा सेंट्रल पार्क्स कहीं ना कहीं होते हैं. आप कम्युनिटी सेंटर या कम्युनिटी हॉल भी लिख सकते हैं, या कुछ और भी जैसे कोई खुली जगह हो वहाँ का भी आप लिख सकते हैं. तो आई एम राइटिंग है वेन्यू सेंट्रल पार्क. ओके. The doctors and nurses of Max Hospital will be there for guidance. The donors should be in the age group of 18 years to 59 years. They will be provided refreshment and gifts after blood donation. Please come forward. Please come forward for this noble cause. और यहाँ पे बेटा आप अपने साइन करके संजय और फिर नीचे लिख देंगे प्रेसिडेंट. डेजिग्नेशन अपनी साथ साथ में आप डाल देंगे संजय के साथ कि ये हमारी डेजिग्नेशन है. इसमें जैसे भी आपका वर्ड लिमिट अलाउ करे, यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट दैट प्लीज़ कम फॉरवर्ड फॉर दिस नोबल कॉज अलॉन्ग विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. ये भी आप साथ में लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हमने ये शुरू करा कि रेजिडेंट्स को हम बता रहे हैं ये शेड्यूल है हमारा. हमने डेट डाल दिया, हमने टाइम डाल दिया. हम ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे कि 9 AM ऑनवर्ड्स, 9 AM से शुरू होगा. ये एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम है, इतने बीच में ही आपको आके देना है, क्योंकि हमारे साथ में डॉक्टर्स हैं, नर्सेज हैं मैक्स हॉस्पिटल के, जो कि वहाँ पर गाइडेंस देने के लिए खड़े होंगे। और डोनर्स का एज ग्रुप हमने बता दिया, दे शुड बी बिटवीन 18 to 59 ईयर्स ऑफ एज, एंड एवरीवेयर वेयर एवर वी आर डोनेटिंग द ब्लड देन दे आर गिवन रिफ्रेशमेंट ऑल्सो, रिफ्रेशमेंट भी मिलता है बेटा, और उसके साथ में उनको कभी कहीं कहीं पे गिफ्ट्स भी मिलते हैं। और हम उनसे अपील कर रहे हैं दैट यू कम फॉरवर्ड फॉर दिस नोबल कॉज। हमने अपने साइन करे और साइन के नीचे हमने अपना डाल दिया डेजिग्नेशन। आई होप एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर नाउ। Everything is clear. You can make a note of this. If you take a screenshot, you can make a note of this, because this is very important. This is how it is dealt with, blood donation camps. Some more examples I'll give you quickly, and I'm not after that, like you have to inform the residents about power cut due to installation of electronic meters, new electronic meters. So this is how we have to write, we will be writing blood donation camp के इस प्लेस में हम लिख देंगे पावर कट। सो ऑल यहाँ पे बेटा हम ये नहीं लिखेंगे कि वेन्यू क्या है, क्योंकि वो तो सभी के घर हैं जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फेल होगी, उस समय पे पावर कट होगी। तो हम लिखेंगे RWA 73 रूपनगर नोटिस, पावर कट हमने डाल दिया। ऑल द रेजिडेंट्स आर इन्फॉर्म्ड दैट देयर विल बी ए पावर कट इन आवर सोसाइटी ऑन 23rd October between 9 AM to 9 PM due to the installation of new electronic meters. काइंडली बियर विद अस, सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्वीनियंस, या फिर ये भी लिख सकते हैं इनकन्वीनियंस इज रिग्रेटेड। आपने अपने साइन करे और नीचे लिख दिया प्रेसिडेंट। ये मत सोचिएगा कि हमें इसमें और क्या लिखना है, बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑफ 50 वर्ड्स सो वी हैव टू कंप्लीट इट। बिल्कुल जैसे आपको बताया कि इंफॉर्मेशन बिल्कुल प्रिसाइज होनी चाहिए, ब्रीफ और प्रिसाइज होनी चाहिए। तो जहाँ ज़रूरत होती है वहाँ हम ±5 वर्ड्स कर जाते हैं, पर यहाँ पे क्योंकि ज़रूरत नहीं है, पावर कट है, हम पावर कट में डेट बता रहे हैं कि किस दिन है पावर कट, और उसके बाद में हम टाइम बता रहे हैं कि उस दिन कितने बजे से कितने बजे तक होगा, और रीज़न बता रहे हैं कि क्या रीज़न है, इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ न्यू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीटर्स रीज़न है, और साथ में हम लिख रहे हैं इनकन्वीनियंसेस रिग्रेटेड, काइंडली बियर विद अस। ठीक है, ये हो गया। इसी तरह से हम कर देते हैं वाटर सप्लाई का भी, कि वाटर सप्लाई है, शॉर्ट वाटर सप्लाई या वाटर सप्लाई का जो कट है वो होगा, तो उसमें आप लिख सकते हैं ड्यू टू द क्लीनिंग ऑफ द ओवरहेड टैंक। जो ओवरहेड टैंक है जहाँ से वाटर सप्लाई पूरे वहाँ पर हो रही है रेजिडेंट्स को, उसकी क्लीनलीनेस के लिए हम वाटर सप्लाई कट करेंगे। डेट यही है, टाइम यही है, रीज़न उसे बता देंगे, क्लीनिंग ऑफ द ओवरहेड टैंक। ठीक है, और साथ में या बर्स्टिंग ऑफ द वाटर पाइप कहीं का भी बता सकते हैं। उसके बाद में हम लिखेंगे इनकन्वीनियंसेस रिग्रेटेड या सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्वीनियंस, प्लीज़ बियर विद अस। दिस इज़ हाउ वी डील विद द नोटिसेस, स्कूल के नोटिसेस और सोसाइटी के हमारे नोटिसेस। नाउ आई विल बी गिविंग यू 2 questions only for the homework, and I hope all of you are doing the homework, and please send me the homework also so that I can check. This is your homework. You are Anil, Anila, head boy, girl of DPS Mathura Road. Your school has organized an inter-class painting competition. Write a notice in 50 words informing the students about the same. Write a notice informing the students about the same. Give all necessary details. Then my other question is, you are secretary of RWA 54 Rohini. Your society has started a yoga and laughter club. A yoga and laughter club inform the residents about the same. Give the details of activities you will be undertaking. So these are the two notices that you are going to do for your homework. Here I have written poster painting competition, and I am giving you a hint that you have to write the topic also. For painting competition it is save water or save electricity. Then you are going to give the time limit, that is 1 hour. तो यहाँ पे आप टॉपिक भी देंगे और इसमें योगा एंड लाफ्टर क्लब के साथ में एक्टिविटीज़ भी बताएंगे कि कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं और आप कौन सी अंडरटेक कर रहे हैं, कब उसका इनॉग्रेशन है, सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन आप देंगे. आई होप द notices are clear, and in my next video I will be taking invitations. Thank you. Have a good day.